Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is, if you can see, is an LED table lamp that you can change different colors and brightness on the actual lamp itself. So if you take a look at the side right here, you can see that it says it's dimmable, it has living colors, so you can change the different RGB lights or the actual light itself in terms of the colors. It is a touch sensor, so there's no actual buttons to press, and it is energy saving as well. But first thing first, let me actually open up the product first to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they do have the little charging cable right here for you guys to use to charge it up and activate it. They do provide you guys some warranty card and a little instruction manual right here to teach you guys how to use it. So they basically teach you guys how to change the different RGB lights, the regular light, the brightness level, and everything all on here. And then right underneath that, you can see the actual product itself right there. So let's take it out. Alright, so right here is the product. So if I take it out, this is basically what it looks like right here. The bottom is ready to plug in the cable. They do have this little slot right here that you guys can put the cables through, so that way it won't get tangled up and it won't be sitting on the cable or whatever. They do have anti-skid material on the bottom, so that way the product itself won't be moving around too much when it's put on a flat surface. On top part right here is basically where it will activate the light and change the different color, temperature, and the different brightness level as well. So let me actually plug this in first to show you guys how it looks like and how it works first. So obviously you guys will need the cable to activate it, so this is where the cable comes in handy right here. So you guys want to plug this into your wall charger or whatever, and then plug this onto your device. So this one will just go underneath just like this. You guys would plug it in right here, and then the cable just goes through like that, and that is basically what it looks like on the bottom part right there. And you just plug this into your wall charger or whatever and just power it on. Alright, so I have it plugged in right here, if you can see. So the way how you guys activate it is by pressing on top right here just one time. If you can see, it turns on. If I press it again, it turns brighter. If I press it again, that's the brightest level right there. If I press it one more time, it turns off. And if I just want to change it to the RGB color option, this is how you do it. So you guys want to tap it one time and then hold it. And now you guys can see the different color option right here. So this is actually automatic in terms of the RGB light color right here. So let's say for example, once it turns blue and I want that color. So right now it's kind of blue. So I tap it, it will stay at that color right there and it won't move to a different color. But if you guys want to keep changing the color, you guys want to press it again to change it. So right now you guys can see it's stuck on the blue color right now. But if I tap it again, it will continue changing the color. So the product itself is pretty easy to use and control. You basically have the 3 brightness level, and then you guys have the RGB light option right here, and you can control which one you guys want. So like I mentioned, if you guys want just blue, or if you guys just want green, you guys can do that on here. And obviously when you guys use the RGB lights right here, it won't be as bright compared to the regular brightness level of the regular light. So for example, let's change it back to the other one right now. So I press it down, it will turn off. And then I can go back to the regular one right here. So that is the brightest one. If you can see, it is super bright. And obviously once you guys are done using it, just press it again to turn it off once you guys hit the maximum brightness level. Alright, so I got the product right here. I want to show you guys what it looks like in the darkness. So if I turn on the light, that's what it looks like on level 1, the lowest brightness level. That is 2. And this is 3. If you guys want to change it to the color option, just press and hold it down. And now it's on the color option. So this is automatic, so you don't have to do anything on here. But if you guys do want to keep that certain color, so for example, once it changed to blue and want to keep that color, you just want to press it one time to keep that color. So if I want to keep this color like this, just tap it one time and it'll stay there. But if I wanted to continue changing the color, I just want to press it again and it'll keep changing the color automatically. So definitely a cool and awesome product that works really well. But that is basically everything that is on the product itself. Now that we do unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a night light or some kind of reading light at night, then this is definitely super useful and handy. So that way you can change from RGB color option, or you can use the regular light option that I just showed you guys. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It'll definitely help this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.